Welcome back to Auto Analysis Pro, your ultimate destination for the latest car reviews, futuristic campers, luxury RVs, powerful trikes, and next-generation vehicles. Here, we explore every detail including exterior design, interior comfort, performance, technology, features, and pricing. If you're passionate about automobiles and want honest automotive analysis with exciting reviews, make sure to subscribe and join the Auto Analysis Pro family. Now, let's jump straight into today's review. Today we're taking a close look at the exciting 2027 Toyota Micro Mini Camper Van 4WD, a compact adventure vehicle that combines everyday practicality with the freedom of off-grid travel. Designed for campers, outdoor enthusiasts, and drivers who want a small but capable recreational vehicle, this micro camper is attracting attention for its clever packaging, rugged styling, and impressive efficiency. At first glance, the 2027 Toyota Micro Mini Camper Van 4WD immediately stands out with its compact dimensions and adventurous appearance. Toyota has created a vehicle that feels modern and rugged without becoming oversized. The front fascia features a bold grille design, sleek LED headlights, and a durable bumper that gives the van a confident stance. Protective body cladding surrounds the lower sections of the vehicle, helping protect it from rocks, gravel, and rough terrain while also enhancing its off-road character. The side profile showcases short overhangs in a practical boxy shape. This design maximizes interior space while maintaining excellent visibility and maneuverability. Roof rails come standard on many versions, allowing owners to mount cargo boxes, kayaks, bicycles, or additional camping equipment. The higher ride height also improves ground clearance, making it easier to tackle uneven roads and campsites. At the rear, the camper van continues its functional design philosophy. Vertical LED taillights provide excellent visibility while a wide-opening rear hatch offers convenient access to the cargo and sleeping area. Toyota has focused on practicality, ensuring that every exterior feature serves a purpose. Step inside and you'll discover one of the most impressive aspects of the 2027 Toyota Micro Mini Camper Van. Despite its compact footprint, the interior feels surprisingly spacious and intelligently organized. Toyota's designers have utilized every available inch to maximize comfort and utility. The dashboard features a clean and modern layout with high-quality materials throughout. Soft touch surfaces, durable fabrics, and attractive trim pieces help create a premium atmosphere. A large touchscreen infotainment system serves as the center of the cabin, providing access to navigation, smartphone integration, entertainment functions, and vehicle settings. The front seats are designed for long-distance comfort and provide excellent support during highway journeys or off-road adventures. Visibility is outstanding thanks to the large windshield and expansive side windows, giving drivers confidence in urban environments and remote trails alike. One of the highlights of the camper configuration is its flexible living space. The rear seating area can quickly transform into a sleeping platform capable of accommodating 2 adults. Toyota has developed a modular interior system that allows users to switch between passenger transport, cargo hauling, and camping configurations with minimal effort. Storage solutions are abundant throughout the cabin. Overhead compartments, under-seat storage bins, side cubbies, and rear cargo organizers help keep gear neatly arranged during travel. Whether you're carrying camping supplies, hiking equipment, photography gear, or everyday necessities, there is plenty of room to stay organized. The camper section includes a compact kitchenette setup in many trims. This may feature a small sink, portable cooking surface, storage drawers, and fold-out workspace. While compact, it provides everything necessary for weekend adventures and short camping trips. Some versions may also include a refrigerator compartment and additional utility storage. Toyota understands that modern travelers rely heavily on technology. The 2027 Micro Mini Camper Van incorporates a range of advanced features designed to improve convenience and connectivity. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatibility allow drivers to seamlessly integrate their smartphones with the infotainment system. Multiple USB charging ports are strategically placed throughout the cabin, ensuring passengers can keep their devices powered while on the road. Available wireless charging pads further enhance convenience, eliminating the need for extra cables. A digital instrument cluster provides important driving information in a clear and customizable format. Drivers can monitor navigation directions, fuel economy statistics, off-road data, and vehicle diagnostics directly in their line of sight. For those who enjoy remote camping, Toyota offers optional solar charging capabilities that help maintain auxiliary batteries. These systems can power interior lighting, small appliances, and electronic devices without requiring constant engine operation. Performance is another area where the 2027 Toyota Micro Mini Camper van excels. Toyota has engineered the vehicle to deliver a balance of efficiency, capability, and reliability. While official specifications may vary depending on market and trim level, industry expectations suggest a highly efficient hybrid-assisted powertrain could be available. The compact engine is designed to provide adequate power for daily driving while maintaining excellent fuel economy. Whether navigating crowded city streets or cruising on the highway, the powertrain delivers smooth and predictable performance. One of the standout features is the advanced four-wheel drive system. This intelligent setup continuously monitors road conditions and automatically distributes power where it's needed most. On slippery roads, muddy trails, gravel paths, or snowy terrain, the system enhances traction and stability, helping drivers maintain confidence in challenging conditions. Toyota has also tuned the suspension to handle a wide range of driving environments. The setup absorbs bumps effectively while maintaining composure during cornering and highway travel. This balance makes the camper comfortable for daily commuting and extended road trips alike. Steering response is light and precise, making the van surprisingly easy to maneuver despite its camping-focused design. Parking in tight urban spaces is straightforward, and available parking sensors along with a 360-degree camera system further simplify low-speed maneuvers. Safety remains a major priority for Toyota, and the 2027 Micro Mini Camper van benefits from a comprehensive suite of advanced driver assistance technologies. Toyota's Safety Sense is expected to come standard, providing a variety of intelligent safety features. Pre-collision warning systems monitor the road ahead and can apply emergency braking if a potential collision is detected. Lane departure alerts help drivers stay centered in their lane, while lane keeping assistance can provide gentle steering corrections when necessary. Adaptive cruise control automatically adjusts speed to maintain a safe following distance from vehicles ahead. This feature significantly reduces driver fatigue during long highway journeys. Blind spot monitoring systems improve awareness when changing lanes, while rear cross-traffic alerts help prevent accidents when reversing. From parking spaces, combined with multiple airbags, reinforced structural components, and advanced stability systems, the camper offers strong occupant protection. For camping enthusiasts, the real appeal of this vehicle lies in its versatility. The 2027 Toyota Micro Mini Camper van is designed to support spontaneous adventures without sacrificing daily usability. Unlike larger motorhomes that can be difficult to park and operate, this micro camper remains practical enough for regular transportation duties. Weekend travelers will appreciate its ability to transition seamlessly from commuter vehicle to mobile campsite. Simply arrive at your destination, deploy the sleeping setup, organize your gear, and begin enjoying the outdoors. The compact dimensions allow access to locations that larger RVs may struggle to reach. Fuel efficiency also plays a major role in the vehicle's appeal. Smaller size and lightweight construction contribute to lower operating costs, making frequent road trips more affordable. Combined with Toyota's reputation for durability and reliability, ownership costs are expected to remain competitive over the long term. Customization options are likely to be extensive. Buyers may choose from various exterior colors, wheel designs, roof accessories, interior finishes, and camping equipment packages. Adventure-focused upgrades such as all-terrain tires, additional lighting systems, roof tents, and upgraded storage solutions may also be available. When it comes to pricing, Toyota aims to position the Micro Mini Camper van as an accessible entry point into the camping lifestyle. Although final pricing will depend on region, trim level, and optional equipment, industry estimates suggest a starting price range between $28,000 and $40,000 for most configurations. Fully equipped adventure-oriented versions with premium camping packages could reach higher price points. Considering the technology, versatility, four-wheel drive capability, and camper functionality included, the value proposition appears quite strong. Buyers receive a vehicle capable of serving multiple roles without requiring ownership of separate daily transportation and recreational vehicles. Overall, the 2027 Toyota Micro Mini Camper Van 4WD represents an exciting evolution in compact adventure travel. It combines Toyota's reputation for reliability with innovative camper features, efficient performance, practical dimensions, and genuine off-road capability. Whether you're an outdoor enthusiast seeking weekend escapes, a road trip lover looking for greater flexibility, or someone interested in downsizing without sacrificing adventure, this micro camper delivers a compelling package. The combination of smart design, comfortable accommodations, advanced technology, impressive safety features, and efficient operation makes it one of the most interesting compact camper concepts in its segment. As demand for versatile adventure vehicles continues to grow, the 2027 Toyota Micro Mini Camper Van 4WD appears ready to meet the needs of modern travelers who value freedom, efficiency, and exploration. Thanks for watching Auto Analysis Pro. If you enjoyed this detailed review of the 2027 Toyota Micro Mini Camper Van 4WD, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth automotive reviews, camper van showcases, RV tours, and future vehicle coverage. We'll see you in the next adventure.